Hey, wellness people. So today I'm making a quick stir fry. My husband just called in here and said, I'm hungry. So I'm using palmini, which is hearts of palm to cut down on the carbs. So it has 4 grams of carbs. I haven't had this before, but I'm trying it. And then, just in case we don't like that, we have cauliflower with some vegetables in the cauliflower. So let me put some vegetables. So I have onions, carrots, mushroom, broccoli that I'm gonna, and green beans that I'm gonna put in the pan. So I have leftovers. We'll have those for another meal. And then I'm gonna season it with a little ginger paste. And of course, garlic. And you can use as much garlic powder as you want because there's no sodium. Then I have minced garlic. Oh, that garlic smells good. So there's minced garlic. And then I have roasted garlic and bell pepper seasoning. Okay, let me put some seasoning in my cauliflower, and then I'm going to season my noodles. And I'm trying to cook kind of fast because, like I said, my husband is hungry. They say a way to a man's heart is through his stomach. And I'm trying to stay married. Oh, this smells so good. I wish I could smell it. That garlic and ginger. So, let me let this cook down. And then I'll come back and add the sauce and assemble it. Okay, so I bought some of this sauce. Tisane teriyaki sauce. I'm gonna add a little to my noodles. Oh, let me taste it. I'm gonna add a little bit to my noodles. Not much. Just enough to flavor my noodles. But I am gonna add it enough sauce to the stir fry. Listen at that sizzle. Then I'm turning the heat off that. And now I'm about to plate it up and take it to my husband so I can see. I'm going to give him a little of the palmini noodles. Turn that off. I'm going to give him a few palmini noodles. Then I'm going to give him a little cauliflower. Let me separate the two. And then I'm going to get a spoon. I'm going to spoon some of this sauce and vegetables over the noodles. Oh, making a mess. Getting some broccoli, some string beans. Oh, that looks good. Clean up my mess. Let me go get him a fork. So I made a mess, but this is the finished product. So we have cauliflower with vegetables and the palmini with vegetables. Let's see how he likes it. Okay, so he's in there tasting it. I'm gonna make myself a little plate. I normally switch over and transition to a different area, but I'm gonna stay right here. So here's the palmini, and then here's the cauliflower. Get some sauce and some veggies. So I have been meat-free for the last, I believe I'm going on my 6th year. And I do not miss it. So I still cook pretty much the same foods minus the meat. Give me 1 second, gotta get a fork. So again, palmini, cauliflower. I'm gonna taste it. Try the palmini first. I may need hot sauce because hot sauce makes everything better. It's a little salty for my taste, and I think it's this sauce. Next time, I will make this again, definitely, but I'm gonna try to make my own sauce with soy sauce. Well, I use liquid aminos. I'm gonna make my own sauce. So that was the palmini, really good. It just tastes salty. Again, really good. But because I need to watch my sodium intake, this is extremely salty to me. It has 460 milligrams per serving. Wow. And a serving is only 1 tablespoon. So I'll make it again. I won't use this sauce. I'll make my own sauce so I can control the amount of sodium. But other than that, it tastes pretty good. I will eat this, but I'll have to be mindful of my meals going forward for today. All right, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and share the content. All right, have a fabulous day.